Join me as I take on the challenge of getting fit fast using just wall exercises. Can I really transform my body with this simple routine? Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll explore how easy wall exercises can help you get fit fast. No gym required. Many people struggle to find time for fitness or feel intimidated by traditional workouts, which is why wall exercises are a perfect solution. They're great for those who are short on time, have limited mobility, or just want to mix up their routine. So, if you're tired of feeling guilty about not going to the gym, or if you're just looking for a new challenge, then keep watching. We'll go through a series of effective wall exercises, demonstrating each one and explaining their benefits for strength and flexibility. From wall push-ups to wall sits, we'll cover it all. The first exercise we're going to do is the wall slide. This exercise targets your legs and glutes and is great for improving balance and flexibility. Simply stand with your back against the wall, then slide down into a seated position, keeping your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Next up, we have the wall chest press. This exercise targets your upper body, specifically your chest and shoulders. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Slowly lower your body toward the wall, keeping your elbows close to your body. Then push back up to the starting position. Another great exercise is the wall calf raise. This targets your calf muscles, which are often neglected in traditional workouts. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then raise up onto your tiptoes, keeping your heels against the wall. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. The highlight will be showcasing a simple yet powerful wall workout routine that you can follow along with. This routine is designed to get your heart rate up and target multiple muscle groups at once. We'll start with a 30-second wall jog, where you'll jog in place with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your hands on the wall for support. Next, we'll do 15 reps of wall push-ups, followed by 30 seconds of wall sits. After that, we'll do 15 reps of wall chest press, followed by 30 seconds of wall calf raises. We'll finish with a 30-second wall jog to get your heart rate back up. To wrap up, we've covered how wall exercises can transform your fitness journey with minimal time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other fitness videos and let me know your favorite wall exercise in the comments below.